Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll start by getting both devices on the same network and signed into the same Google account. That avoids permission and discovery problems. Once done, open Google Photos on your phone, pick the album or photo you want, then tap the cast icon in the app's toolbar. Make sure your Android TV appears in the device list. If it doesn't, open the TV's home or ambient settings to verify Chromecast is enabled, then select the TV to begin streaming. If casting isn't available or you prefer native viewing, install Google Photos or a compatible gallery on your Android TV. Once you open the Play Store on the TV, search for Google Photos. If it's not listed, sideload the APK or use the Play Store web install from your phone. After installation, sign into the same Google account on the TV app and grant storage and network permissions so the app can fetch thumbnails and full-size images. This lets you browse with Photos casting or the TV app installed. You can control slideshows with either your phone or the TV remote. Use the Photos app for precise selection and the remote for playback controls. To finish setup, tweak slideshow duration and transitions in the app and enable ambient mode for background displays. If images won't load or casting drops, restart the TV, phone, and router. Confirm both devices use the same Google account and Wi-Fi, and reauthorize casting permissions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.